This video is to show you how to create desktop shortcuts for any website using Google Chrome in Windows 10. To demonstrate this, I'm using the Gmail login page as an example. To create the desktop shortcut for this particular web page, the very first thing that you have to do is go onto the settings, which is on the right hand side top corner of the browser. Open settings, find save and share, and within that submenu you can find create shortcut. Select that one and this dialog box will pop up. So you can give any name that you like, and then all you have to do is just create. Once that is done, you can immediately see that the desktop shortcut is already created within the taskbar. Not only this one, if you go to the desktop, you can also see another shortcut in the desktop. There is an extra option that you can enable while creating the desktop shortcut. The steps to enable that option is the same. Go to settings, click on save and share, and select create shortcut. And within the dialog box opened, select open as a window, which means this will open up this web page as a separate window. Now when you click on this desktop shortcut, it will open up Gmail in a separate window. If you have not selected the option to open that web page in a new window, clicking on the shortcut button will open up it in a new tab. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.